Hello friends, today we are going to be looking into how to install Appium. So you just open google.com. Here you can find using Appium download keyword. There you will be get some suggestion list. Here you can open Appium mobile app automation mad awesome. This is the right link for taking our Appium software. Here you can go to this download section. Here you can find client libraries and desktop apps. Here you can select this Appium desktop for OS, Windows and Linux. So here you can find Appium exe file for different OS system. Okay, here now we have to download for Windows. For that we have to select this option Appium Windows 1.21.0. This is the latest one. You just click on this one. After clicking, it started to downloading Appium. So already I downloaded this Appium software. Here you can find under download section. You just double click on this exe file. So here it will be asking anyone who uses this computer or only for me. I just select that option only for me. Click on install. It will be take few minutes for completing the setup installations process. You should wait until complete this process. So the process is completed. Now you just uncheck this checkbox, click on finish. Here you can find Appium. Here click on this one. Started to launching Appium software. So here you will get the default port number is 4723. So here you just select this edit configuration. Here only we have to set the SDK path and JDK path. So here we can find Android home and Java home. So what is the path we have to update here? So in Android home we can update SDK path. In Java home we can update JDK path. So in my previous video already I explained how we can done the Android Studio setup and where we can find the SDK path. So again I have to repeat the same way. Go to C drive, click on users. Here you can select username. Go to app data, click on local. Here you can find Android folder. Select this one. Here you can find SDK. This is the SDK path. So inside SDK folder, you can find all the libraries. This is the SDK path of full setup here. Updated all the libraries available inside SDK folder. Okay. You just copy this path. Go to Appium. Inside Android home, you just update this path. Java home. Again go to C drive, go to program files. Here you can find Java. So I installed JDK 11. So I hope you guys installed any other version. You just select this way JDK 11. So this is the path of JDK. You just copy, you just update here. Click on save and restart. Restart now. So sometime it will be not restarted automatically. In that case, you just close. So again, you just edit configuration. You just verify whether the path is properly updated or not. So the path is updated properly. So this is the way we have to install Appium. How we can connect the Android Studio and Appium. So using this SDK path only. If you are made wrong for updating this path, definitely Appium throwing some error. Okay. So and also you have to update the right path of JDK inside Java home. So this is the way we have to update the path and you have to install the Appium. Okay. Thank you guys.